What's going on, guys? We are back, and as you guys can't tell, I pretty much threw all of my tackle down on my ping pong table. I gotta get that stuff organized. I know a few of you guys been asking me to do a tackle video, so I'm kicking my butt into gear. I'm gonna try and get that done for you. I actually have one of my good buddies coming over tomorrow, and we are going through everything. We got to kind of like do a pre-fishing prep. This is the time of year that we like to get together because it's right before our tournaments, and we kind of like to go through everything, see what we have, what we don't have, what we need, and stuff like that. So we're going to be bringing you guys a video all about that tomorrow. I can give you a little sneak peek right now. It's actually not as bad as I thought. I thought we were in a lot worse shape than, you know, I knew. You know, so it's not too bad, but it definitely needs to be organized. If you guys can't tell, I have like miscellaneous soft plastics with like random spools of braid and like fluorocarbon and stuff, just bags of soft plastics. Like, it's just annoying. I got lures and MTV boxes that don't belong there. I got like these things. I just found these. I didn't even know I owned all these spooks and hula poppers. I found this box of crankbaits that never knew I had. Got some random crankbaits again that probably never used. A big box of miscellaneous musky baits right here. We got these musky baits and more musky baits and more musky baits and bunch of jerk baits. So this is the stuff that's like kind of organized, but trust me, it's not as good a shape as you think it is. Plus, I have a whole cabinet over there with like just a ton of stuff that's just a mess. Other than that, I wanted to touch two things today. So I'm gonna give you guys one tip. But before we get there, I wanted to test my subs a little bit. So for all those people that actually support and watch these videos all the way through, this is gonna be something a little bit exclusive for you because I'm not putting this in the title. So if you're watching, you're in luck. If you guys don't remember, a little bit ago I did a giveaway. Well, I did several giveaways, but I gave away two ultralight fishing rods that looked like this from my Kmart fishing video. So I gave them away, well, intended to, but you know, one of the people who won never responded to me. They sent me one email, you know, but they never sent me their information or whatever. I don't know. They just sent me an info saying they were who that was. So either they were lying or they just disappeared. I don't know. So I gave them like a whole month to try and you know, reach out to me. I emailed them. I messaged them. I tried to find them on social media. And so it didn't happen. So I just recently emailed him last week saying, hey buddy, you know, I want to give you this rod, but if you don't respond to me in a week, I'm going to give it to someone else. Unfortunately, he didn't respond. So we got one more giveaway going on. So if you guys want to win a fishing rod, leave a comment below. I'm going to do a random comment picker again, or maybe I'll just pick someone in particular. I don't know yet, but if you want to win that rod, you know, leave me a comment below, but don't say anything about the rod because the people that don't watch the videos all the way through, they're not going to know. So leave a random comment below and you might just win a fishing rod. Other than that, I want to give you guys just one quick tip. You know, we're not doing anything crazy today. We're trying to just keep up, trying to vlog like every day. That's just my overall goal here until we can get out fishing. But man, I'm just walking around everywhere. I want to give you guys one tip when it comes to fishing with spinning rods. Because I just ran into this unintentionally, and I knew this was going to be a problem, but now that I ran into it, I figured I'd just share it with you guys. So yeah, let's get right into that. So basically what I want to share with you guys really quick, and it works as like a little tip videos. If you guys are braid fishermen, you like to fish braid and spinning reels, you know, you might know this or you might not, but when it comes to fishing braid, it's super, super, super important to always run a little bit of mono or some other type of line other than just strictly braid. And the reason being is, and what made me think of this was I'm about to spool up this rod right here, right? And normally I always do this. This is something I typically do when it comes to fishing spinning reels with braid. But I was actually in Florida for my birthday. Didn't expect to fish down there, ended up being able to, so I picked up some braid and threw it in this rod, and basically this is the result of just putting braid in here. So here we are a couple months later, right? I'm going through all my reels and stuff, and you have this problem right here. So if you guys can't tell, the spool is not open at all. It's literally just slipping off the spool, and it's just like having your drag super loose all the time. That is a mess. You're not going to be able to fix that. I mean, usually, you know, you can get your line wet and it'll eventually stop, but that is just a bad problem to have. You literally have zero tension. If you catch a fish, you're not going to be able to reel it in. And the reason that happens is because there's nothing for the braid to grip to. Braid is very slippery, it's slick, and once the whole spool dries out, you're going to have that problem. So I just wanted to share with you guys that when you guys are about to spool up a rod, like this guy, I'm about to put like 15-pound braid in here. I'm going to run like just a solid leader of like 8-pound monofilament on there, just so you can get around that spool and have a grippy base, so then when you thread your braid on there, you're good to go. So make sure you guys do that if you were going to start fishing braid in a spinning reel. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just kind of going through all my stuff right now and came across some things, so I wanted to share that with you, and I just wanted to kind of hype you guys up for the tackle video tomorrow. So you know, I know you guys have wanted that. So other than that, if you guys are new here, subscribe. If you want to win this rod, leave a comment below. And I don't know, we're going to keep it going. I'm trying to do this as much as I can, and it's been working out kind of. So I don't know. Thank you guys so much for your support. Hit me up on social media right here, poop. And other than that, man, have a good night. So thank you guys. Peace out.